Omukujaguza ekireki President Museveni yashaba abahingi b'amajani kuronda ekindi kihingwa ekibaragumene bihamu sente agumize ngu amajani tigakirimu sente ezirikubaasa kwiha abantu omu bworo.
The global demand, you should check it properly. I have it in my booklet. I put all this in writing. They say, please, the global demand of this one is this one, the global this one. The global demand of tea is not so big. Not like coffee, not like milk, not like fish. That's why I recommended the seven enterprises in writing.
President Museveni nagira ngo mukatare kensi yona amajani tigine katade wagerageranisa n'umwani ngo nahabwe cyo akanuko kira abahinji b'amajani kutekateka akuhindura ekingwa cyabo.
And I put it in writing. It is part of the large scale agriculture. Extensive farming. And I had studied it, and if you see my documents, I had pointed out that the global demand of tea is not very big. If you look at the demand of coffee, some years ago was 118 million bags per year, 60 kilogram bags. It is now 160 million. It is going up, coffee.
Mu kwezi kwa kabiri umwaka ogu abahinji b'amajani mu district ya Kabarore bakiterera enduru wa speaker w'ishenjero Anita Mongi ahabwe emihendo y'amajani kugwa okuruga hari shiringi 5 okuhika hari shiringi 2 buri kilo. Omu kushaba kwabo abahinji aba bakashaba government okutaha emiringo yona okureba ngo ekihingwa eki kyagaruka kyagera sente omu katare.
In my 4 acres model and 7 activities, I never talked about tea. You are now saying tea has got problems. I know them and I have studied them. That's why I never included tea in my documents of recommendation. Because not in Kumara Katonera. Whatever I recommend for my people in writing, I don't just talk, I put in writing. I recommended the 7 activities for the poor people.
Konka President Museveni nagira ngo bimwe habizubu ebiri mu majani abahinji otiriho n'abagashoroma nubo babiresire.
Political problems. So that's why there is this insecurity. But also on our side, there were some mistakes, which is what Tim was talking about. We are not using fertilizers. We are offshore. You know, English is a poor language. They don't have enough words. Because they say, have blacking. What is blacking tea?
President Museveni atakagambira hanshonga y'amajani Tom Butemoro Minister w'ibyoburambuzi yabanza kumushaba okutaho mu nshonga y'abahinji b'amajani otiriho n'abarugashoroma agumize ngo binji baferirwe emirimo yabo.
Tebaina kyokulya kana abana babo tebakyagenda mu masomero. Nawe ntietaga wetu president otere mu amaani bitagiceka kino nuko ebintu ebyo bikorweho wangu kandi bisemere.
Esther Davinia Anyukani uruminisita w'ekikura ky'abantu ahabwa emirimo n'amakoro yagira ngu nka ministry bariyo nibakora ekirikubasika okumara hibura ry'emirimo ery'ombanya Uganda.
The General Growth Opportunities and Productivity for Women Enterprise, the growth project. This is a project which is funded by the World Bank, which we launched in March 2023 at Sanda. The initiative provides a comprehensive package for service, including skilling, mentorship, business development services.
If workers know that these rights will be respected, and if workers know that there are legal ways to seek redress when these rights are not respected,
konka b'abakozi abarikurabira omuri chairman wabo Musa Okero bayireko kukwatwaho kw'amaani aha muhendo gw'abanyayuganda abarikuza omu mahanga g'abaharabu kukorrayo bagumize ngu n'obukirabe kiine ebirungi byakyo abingi bahendire biitirweyo kandi abandi batirwe babe ebimuga.
Trend of exporting labor and all externalization of labor, especially to the Gulf countries, is in a rapid rise. It has, however, both positive and negative results. We are cognizant of the revenue our country earns from labor export and the transformation of lives of some of your Bazukulusa.
At the Federation, we have created awareness among employers on the application of social dialogue and always encouraging them to resolve any disputes that may arise at workplace in a non-confrontational way.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Jonathan Tsingwiri.